How to install NXX Manufacturing. After a user is onboarded to a product from the admin console, a user will go to Siemens Software Center to find the product installation. On the main screen, Siemens Software Center will display all the products that you are able to install. Before installing, it is highly recommended to click on the three dots and then click on Install Options. On the Install Options dialog, you can see what current version is installed if applicable. You can select the version you want to install, understand the space requirements, and then finally choose an install location. It's important to note that you don't have to install right away. You can also download only and then install later at your earliest convenience. Once you are ready to install, go ahead and click Install. After the installation, the command button will change to Open. We can now open NXX Manufacturing and access the full benefits of this part manufacturing software. With a quick 3-step onboarding process, Siemens Software Center allows us to manage our installations all on one application.